English muffins made with freshly milled flour. And freshly milled flour has 40 to 44 nutrients in it. So these are healthy and delicious for you because they have the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Nothing has been stripped. I cannot wait to have my breakfast. As you can see, I've already toasted a couple, so I am ready. And by the way, the cornmeal was also freshly milled. So everything is fresh and nutritious and so good for you. And that's the benefit when you are freshly milling your own flour. I hope you have a great day because I'm certainly going to have a wonderful breakfast. Bon appetit. And remember, Jesus loves you.